Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today will be the last class, okay? What do you mean, मैम इतने में ही खत्म कर दोगे? नहीं, the last class of first chapter, okay? मुझे 4 क्लासेस लगे, एक 7 मिनट 10 मिनट और एक कितने मिनट का होगा मुझे नहीं पता, इसीलिए मैं इतना देर कर रही हूँ आप लोगों को कि ये बेसिक चैप्टर है। अगर आप लोगों को बेसिक समझ में आ गए तो इट्स वेल एंड गुड, बिकॉज हमेशा एक बात याद रखो कि इकोनॉमिक्स में कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। आप रट्टा नहीं मार सकते हर हमेशा हर एक कॉन्सेप्ट की, ठीक है? इसके लिए आप लोगों को पहले कॉन्सेप्ट समझना है, उसके बाद आप अपने आप आंसर कर दोगे, चाहे क्वेश्चन कुछ भी हो जाए, ठीक है? So today we are going to discuss about production possibility frontier as well as the production possibility set. So what do you mean by production possibility set? First we will discuss the production possibility set, then we will discuss about the production possibility frontier, okay? So what is production possibility set? So the production possibility set, it is a collection of all the possible combination of goods and services that can be produced from the given amount of resources as well as a given stock of technological knowledge in an economy. So what does this mean? देखो, पहले ही बताए थे कि एग्जाम्पल ली थी कि इकोनॉमी में प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों अराइज हो रही है, इज बिकॉज ऑफ द scarcity of resources. That's why the problem of choice is going to arise, right? किस लिए हमारे पास जो है जो भी resources है वो बहुत कम है, and each and every resources have its own alternative or a competing usages. That's why the problem of choice is going to arise. See, यहाँ पे हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? Here we are going to discuss the collection of all possible combinations. See, these are the set of possibilities or a possible combinations. So here production possibility set, it is a collection of all the possibilities that of goods and services that are produced in an economy using the resources. For example, here we are taken an example as same in your textbook, that is corn as well as the cotton, okay? Here we are going to produce these two goods using the available resources in an economy as well as with the help of given stock of technological knowledge. So क्या पढ़ने वाले यहाँ पे? Let me give you an example that we are having 100 units of resources. Okay, हमारे पास क्या है? 100 यूनिट resources है. वो यूज करके हमें क्या प्रोड्यूस करना है? वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस कॉटन एज वेल एज द कॉर्न, ओके? सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोड्यूस इट? सो हियर possibility A, which means by using all the 100 resources we can produce 0 units of corn as well as 10 units of cotton. What does this mean? If we are going to use all the 100 resources which are available to us only in the production of cotton, then we can produce 10 units of cotton. In the same way, if we are going to use these 100 resources only in the production of corn, then we can produce 4 units of corn. So, क्या हम ये कर सकते हैं? पूरी हमें जो अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेस है वो सभी यूज करके क्या हम सिर्फ एक ही कमोडिटीज प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं? नहीं, बिकॉज हमें कॉर्न भी चाहिए एज वेल एज द कॉटन भी चाहिए, है ना? तो इसीलिए वी आर गोइंग टू बैलेंस देम, which means the best option which is available to the economy is production of 3 units of corn as well as the 4 units of cotton using these 100 resources. तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी ए में हम क्या कर सकते हैं? 0 यूनिट्स ऑफ कॉर्न भी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं और 10 यूनिट्स ऑफ कॉटन भी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. और पॉसिबिलिटी बी में 1 यूनिट ऑफ कॉर्न, 9 यूनिट ऑफ कॉटन, and C में 2 units of corn, 7 units of cotton, and D में 3 units of corn and 4 units of cotton, right? E में 4 units of corn and 0 units of cotton. So here each one is a possibility that using these 100 resources what we can produce. So here the set of possibilities is known as production possibility set in an economy. Is this clear? So here we discussed the production possibility set with the example, okay? So now what do you mean by production possibility frontier? It shows a combination of commodities that can be produced in an economy using the resources. ये दोनों में क्या difference है ये समझ लो. If we are going to study only about A, Okay, with the help of this diagram. Now I am going to draw a graph. Okay, if we are going to study that only about a possibility, that means 0 units of corn and 10 units of cotton, then it will be called as production possibility frontier or a production possibility curve. Is this clear? Now let me draw a graph. Okay, see, on the y-axis we are going to measure the cotton and on the x-axis we are going to measure the corn. Corn कितना है भाई? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here there will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And cotton 4, 7, 9, 10. 4, 7, 9 and 10. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम मेजर कर रहे हैं कॉटन को. यहाँ पे हम कुछ स्केल वगैरह यूज नहीं कर रहे, मतलब एक ही ओके. हमें कितना भी ऑप्शन में हम वही इधर मेजर कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the possibility 1? That is possibility A. We are going to produce 0 units of, we are not going to produce anything corn. Okay, it will be a 0, right? Corn will be 0 and cotton will be 10. ठीक है, हो गया ना A वाला. This will be the A possibility. And in the B, 1 unit of corn and 9 units of cotton. यहाँ पे 9 किधर है? यहाँ पे. ठीक है, this will be our B possibility. And C में 2 units of corn as well as 7 units of cotton. And this will be the our C. And D में 3 units of corn as well as the 4 units of cotton. So here this will be our D. And E में 4 units of corn as well as the 0 units of cotton. So here these are the possibilities which we can use or which we can produce the goods and services using the available resources. So let me join this one. Okay, ये आपकी बुक में और अच्छे से आएगा. So this will be the production possibility curve or production possibility frontier. ठीक है, आई बात समझ में? What we are going to discuss, what we discussed till now, that is production possibility frontier. It is nothing but it is going to show the possibilities. Okay, it shows a combination of commodities. मतलब ये दोनों की combination of commodities, मतलब A में देखो ये दोनों की combination है, right? So it is going to show the combination of commodities that can be produced using the given resources in an economy. Then what is production possibility set? It is a collection of all the possibilities, that is A to E. It is the combination of all the possibilities that can be produced from the given amount of resources. Here the resources will be limited. In our example, the resources are 100 units. Okay. So, and with the help of given stock of technological knowledge. Is this clear? So here we discussed about the production possibility frontier, which is nothing but a production possibility curve as well as the production possibility set with the help of an example as well as a graph. Okay. So समझ लो कि अगर इसमें जो है, if we are going to produce a possibility A, B, C, D, E, then here we are going to use all the 100 resources in an economy. अगर समझ लो कि we are going to use only 60 units of resources, and if we are going to produce at the point F, then it will be called as underutilization of the resources. So always economy is not going to produce F. Economy is always going to produce between A to E, and the best available option for the economy is, that is D. Is this clear? So here the first chapter of the microeconomics, that is introduction, has been completed. So next video will be on the second chapter of microeconomics, that is consumer behavior. Okay. Thank you everyone.